Okay. But the first word problems really aren't even word problems. It is just, hey, do you know what all the things mean? So, all right. We're looking for lengths of sides. Okay. So which one do you want to find first, A or B? A, I guess. So A, if I look at angle A, where it's at, is A like the opposite or the adjacent? It's the opposite. And we know the hypotenuse. So which one has opposite and hypotenuse in it?
Opposite and hypotenuse would be sine.
Sine, right. So grab this guy. Let me draw a triangle. Not like we really need it. A, C, A. What was the important stuff?
A is 52.3.
52.3 and 60.
And C is 60.
All right, so sine of 52.3 is A, which we're looking for, over hypotenuse, which is 60. So A is going to be 60 times sine 52.3. That was easy.
And we just plug that into the calculator.
Yep, just plug that into the calculator. So 60 times 52.3, and I want sine of that. 53.66.
You can still
I guess so. I don't. Oh, whoops.
you build it out to the nearest number as the
53.66.
3.6.
No.
Maybe it's in the wrong degree or whatever.
Okay, let me type in the calculator one more time. There's a possibility that I just couldn't type. It happens. 52.3 sine times 60. 53.66.
It says double check your value.
Yeah. Let me hit it again. That should be.
What the hell it is?
Oh, wait.
Maybe you had it in the wrong thing.
Oh, crap. Sorry. So whoever said, yeah.
Okay.
We were supposed to be in degrees. Our calculator was in radians. Sorry.
Yes.
I should have listened.
That exact same thing last night.
Oops.
That happened to me literally yesterday. I was doing my homework and I was like, why am I getting like such a wrong answer?
Well, you have to hold it.
Well, I have to do my homework.
Okay, 52.3 sine times 60. 47.47. Who would have thought? It does work. Okay. So for the other one, it's going to be 52.3, except since we're looking for the adjacent now, it's going to be cosine instead of sine. And then times 60. Or since we already have the first two, you could just do Pythagorean if you wanted to. But 36.69. Okay.
I think that was like my biggest issue on doing my homeworks. I wasn't sure for which problem I should have it in like degrees, or I should have it in radians.
I mean, usually it tells you. I mean, like here, they give you angle A in degrees, so you know it's supposed to be in degrees. I just thought my calculator was in degrees, and I was wrong. But, yeah.
I just kind of did both, and whichever one was right.
I see. So usually if they say degrees, obviously it's degrees. A lot of times if you say including a pi in your answer, that's kind of tells you it's going to be radians. Okay, what's the other angle? We could use trig functions to do this, or we could just think, hey, what do you know about the angles in a triangle? Yeah, they add up to 180, right? We know one of them's 90, so the other two add up to 90.
One of them 52.3.
Yeah, one of them's 52.3. So 52.3 plus what makes 90? 37.7. Come on, you can subtract in your head, can't you? Oh, that's the easy one. What's angle C?
90.
90. Yeah, that was it. Let's get something trickier. Let's try question 5. That's still the exact same thing. So how would you get side C?
Oh, whatever it's called, A squared plus B squared.
Yeah.
C squared.
We don't have any angles, so we're not going to use any trig functions. We're just going to say, oh, a squared plus b squared is c squared. So 10.8 squared plus 24.8 squared, and take the square root. 27.05. It really does mess me up, like having this class right after physics. Because in physics, it's like everything is 3 significant figures. And so it messes with my mind. Okay, so to get angle A, I mean, we could use any sides we want to, but since A and B are the ones in the problem, I'm going to stick to those. So we have, if I look at A, I've got the opposite and the adjacent side. So which one has opposite and adjacent? Tangent, right? So 10.8, 24.8. So you've got tangent of A is 10.8 over 24.8. So you're just going to do inverse tangent. So A is going to be inverse tangent of 10.8 over 24.8. And this is almost certainly in degrees. I didn't read in the problem, but I'm going to assume so and be really sad if I'm wrong.
Wait.
All right, so 10.8 divided by 24.8. Inverse tangent is 23.53 degrees. Okay. All right. I said 23.53, didn't I? So 23.5 if I do nearest 10. And you know it's in degrees because it's got that little degree circle by the answer there.
I'm writing right now.
Hey, that's a good thing to write down. And then once we have A, B, again, A and B have to add up to 90. So 90 minus 23.5 would be 66.5.
Oh, yeah.
So that's one thing. I had a friend that said, yeah, Social Security is going to be around forever. It's just by the time I get that old, they're going to require you to be 85 years old before you can take it. Which is probably true. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. There we go. Okay, let's go to homework. This is just a simple wording thing. So, bearing. It's just a word for an angle. I mean, so they kind of help you out by showing you the picture. So usually bearings go off of north or south. So there's two ways to do bearings. One is like the military way is you just do one big angle. Common way is you either go angle off of north or south. So that one right there, I mean, it's coming off the south, so that tells you, hey, it's going to be south. And I don't know how they're wording it. Usually you would say this is 71 degrees west of south. But I don't know how I'm supposed to put that in. I'm going to try south. Yeah, okay, fine. Let's view an example, see how they put the answer in. Oh, south 86 degrees west is the way we have that in. So, south 71. Actually, it's about time for me to stop recording and start another recording. Let me do that.